Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sasa and today I would like to tell you about this picture. So the first one, my brother is brushing his teeth in the bathroom and my father is cooking an omelette in his kitchen. My mother is watering her 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 flowers in the garden, and me, I am sitting on the stairs. My grandmother is reading a newspaper in the living room. My dog is playing. My dog is playing his toys in the bedroom. As you can see, we are doing different activities. Thank you for listening. Bye.